morning, student. Today we are going to learn number system. Before studying about number system, I want to say that we should know why we are studying number system. हमारा मानना है कि जब भी आप कुछ पढ़ते हो तो उसको पढ़ने के पहले ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि आप उसको पढ़ ही क्यों रहे हो. लोग कहते हैं, पेरेंट्स कहते हैं, बेटा पढ़ लो, फ्यूचर में एंजॉय करोगे, आज पढ़ोगे तो कल मजे करोगे. पर हमारा मानना है कि नहीं, वी शुड नॉट थिंक अबाउट द फ्यूचर. वी शुड थिंक, बट बिफोर दैट वी शुड थिंक अबाउट द प्रेजेंट. व्हाई वी विल नॉट एंजॉय व्हाइल वी आर स्टडीइंग. जब हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं तो क्यों नहीं हम उस वक्त एंजॉय करेंगे. हम लोग एंजॉय करके पढ़ेंगे, हर उस पल को एंजॉय करेंगे जब हम पढ़ रहे होते हैं. इसलिए नहीं कि पापा मेरा मार्क्स देखिए, मेरा मार्क्स इतना आया है. नॉट फॉर दैट. हम पढ़ेंगे इसलिए क्योंकि जब हम पढ़ रहे होते हैं तो हम एंजॉय कर रहे होते हैं, हमको मजा आ रहा होता है. तो उस मजे को लेने के लिए क्या करना होगा. इस मजे को लेने के लिए आप जो भी टॉपिक को पढ़ रहे हो, जिस भी टॉपिक को, जिस भी सब्जेक्ट से पढ़ रहे हो, यू मस्ट नो व्हाई यू आर स्टडीइंग दिस पार्ट. और जब ये जान जाओगे तो पढ़ने का मजा ही कुछ और होगा. तो व्हाई वी आर स्टडीइंग नंबर सिस्टम. नंबर्स जो है उसके साथ हम लोग बचपन से, अपने चाइल्डहुड से खेल रहे हैं. वी आर एंजॉयिंग नंबर्स इवन वी आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट दैट. छोटे से थे, बच्चे थे, एट दैट टाइम वी आर सेइंग, मम्मा मुझे तो बस 4 बिस्किट चाहिए, एक भी कम नहीं लूंगा. What you are doing? You are asking for the 4 biscuits. And कह रहे हो कि एक भी कम नहीं लूंगा. तो this 4 and this 1, what are those? Those are numbers. You are going to a shopkeeper. You are purchasing some chocolates and just paying some money. और फिर वो शॉपकीपर आपको रिटर्न कुछ करता है. क्या? That money is in the form of number. कितना रुपए का था, कितने रुपए का लिए और कितना रुपए उसने रिटर्न किया. All these are in numbers. We are working with numbers, we are playing with numbers, but at that time we were not aware. आज हम जान रहे हैं, आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं numbers. But which type of numbers we are studying? We are studying decimal number system. We have 10 digits. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. ये 10 डिजिट्स को लेके हम लोग चाहे तो जिस भी नंबर्स को लिख सकते हैं. जितना बड़े भी नंबर्स हो, जितने बड़े नंबर की भी बातें करें, लिखना हो, we require only this 10 numbers and this is called decimal number system. We are using this type of number system. करोड़ों की बात हो, अरबों की बात हो, लाखों की बात हो, खरबों की बात हो, हमको क्या, कौन सी डिजिट्स को यूज करना है? only these 10 digits. That is decimal number system. Now I am saying we have to study more 3 types of number system. The question arises कि जब हम decimal number system पे सारा काम कर ही रहे हैं, why we will study all these others like binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. तो बेटे ऐसा है कि पढ़ना तो हमको कंप्यूटर है ही. हम जिस लाइन में भी जाएंगे, हम डॉक्टर बने, इंजीनियर बने, नेवी में जाए या कहीं भी जाए, we have to work with the computer. जब कंप्यूटर से हमको जुड़े रहना है तो कंप्यूटर को अच्छे से जानना है. कंप्यूटर पे जो भी कैलकुलेशन होता है, that is with the binary numbers, with 0 and 1. Bi means 2. In binary number system, that is only 2 values, that is only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. जो भी हम कंप्यूटर में लिखते हैं, like we are writing Mahatma Gandhi is our national father. Then at that time computer receive it and store it. But it stores in the form of 0 and 1. If we are calculating some numbers, if we are giving some number 4 plus 3, computer gives output 7. But it works inside the computer, it works like this. At first it converts 4 into binary, then plus also in binary and 3 also in binary, and then the output also it is stored as a binary digits. And then it converted into decimal to give us output so that we can understand. So bachcha, we have binary number system 0 and 1. After that, we will go for octal number system. Octal number system. Octal number system. In this number system, there are 8 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. By using all these 8 digits, we can write any number in octal number system. And why we are using octal number system? Different computers we use different types of. Most of the computer use binary number system, but like PDP-8, that is using in telecommunication. PDP-8 use octal number system. So we are studying octal number system. Now we have hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 6, decimals means 10. 6, 10, that means 16. That hexadecimal number system. In this number system we have 16 digits. What are those? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then A, B, C, D, E and F. These are the set of hexadecimal number system. Why we are using hexadecimal number system? In computer, the RGB color is set as a hexadecimal number system. Like if you have studied HTML, then and that also you can see that if you want a white background or the black background or the red or blue, you give some code, and that code is written in hexadecimal number system. Like for white, you write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and for the black you give F, 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 F. That is the hexadecimal code, and for different colors we give different numbers. So all this about this 4 number system. When I am giving you a number like 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, and I am saying that this is your decimal number system. This number belongs to decimal number system. You may say, no teacher, there is only 0 and 1. So it is binary number system. But I am saying it is decimal number system. Some of you may say no. In octal number system there is also 0, 1, and hexadecimal number system also there is 0 and 1. So we must know how we will recognize. How we can recognize this number is decimal number system or any else. For this we use base, B-A-S-E. The base of this number system we can write like this is 10. If the base is given 10, that means it is decimal number system, and it will work as a decimal number system. Even if we are taking the same number like 101, 011, and if we are giving the base 2, that means this is the binary number. This belongs to binary number system. The value of both the number will be different. So this base is very important, and for like that we can use 7, 3, 2, and we can write here 8. It will represent octal number system. If I am writing A9F, you can say that ma'am, it is a combination of alphabet and digit. No dear, While I am giving that base is 16, that means this is a numbers belongs to hexadecimal number system. So I think you can understand all these things. Now anyone if asking you what is the base of hexadecimal number system, without taking time, just reply 16. What is the base of binary number system? 2. What is the base of decimal number system? That is 10. So I think all of these are clear to you. There are lots of calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And there are you have to study how you can convert binary number system to decimal number system, binary number system to octal number system, and binary to hexadecimal, and hexadecimal to octal, and octal to decimal. Like this, so many conversation you have to study. For that, it will take a long time. According to me, one point, according to me, that if you are studying a lot about a single thing, it will overflow from your mind. जैसे तुम बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ लेते हो तो ये ओवरफ्लो होने लगता है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके आगे बढ़ेंगे. For today, only this part we will study, and in the next video we will study how to convert binary number to decimal and decimal number to binary. Okay, bye dear.